Welcome to this feature tutorial on iMBrace FlowOps, our human-in-the-loop orchestration platform. We will explore key features to help you leverage its full potential. This is the iMBrace FlowOps workflow platform. Here, you can create and manage your flows, organizing them by categories such as channel workflow and board automation. iMBrace offers channel support with fully stateful pause and resume capabilities. This allows for reasoning, control, and connections within your workflows. Workflows are built with stateful memory, providing running details for each step. This allows you to monitor the flow's progress and history precisely. It's easy to connect services, create AI skills, and enable deterministic automation with full AI support. This ensures smooth and predictable operations. Enjoy full control and traceability with integrated AI. You can review recent runs and see the details of each step, including AI-driven processes. FlowOps supports numerous integrations and provides centralized controls for your connections. The Connections tab lists all active connections and their owners. Adding new integrations is straightforward with simple configuration steps. Select from a wide variety of supported applications to extend your workflow capabilities. The platform includes full version control, allowing you to track and manage changes to your workflows over time. You can easily revert to previous versions if needed. You get a full run history with observability, making it easy to track the status, duration, and start time of every flow execution. FlowOps also supports a full MCP server setup, providing sandboxes, testing, and production environments for managing your flows. Start your growth with iMBrace. Scan the QR code to learn more, and follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube.